Hey guys, something's weird about today. I have so many long stories. I got a couple videos. I only got 8 minutes. I gotta go clear my thing and something's weird and beautiful all at the same time. You know what I'm saying? And I'm hearing the horns and it's all different. And so I get a thing in my email thing to go hear a song from Mississippi Talker. Next thing you know, I was coming outside because I don't know how to. I have a hard time even speaking, you guys. I was coming outside because it had rained and I was wiping off the table and everything because I just want to be out here for a little while. And what do you know, at like 9:57, I get this message, and you know what I mean? And I've been hearing this train whistle for like 10 minutes, and it was so weird because in that song, it says, "Hear the train a coming." I don't even know what the title was. I mean, I have to record this before it's too late. And it might be getting closer. And I'm not even kidding you. It's been going on for 10 minutes, but that don't make sense. When you hear the horn, it comes through. Yeah, I think it's coming. When you usually hear the horn, it's coming through, like, right then. Dead serious. I don't know. Cracking one. It's coming, it's coming. I know it. I hear it. Where is it? Yep. It's coming. I'm not even lying. So see, today is so weird and beautiful and freaking, what's the word? I don't even know. Everything all at the same time. I gotta tell you more about it too, and I gotta go clear my cache or something. Maybe they're doing their backing up stuff down there. That don't make sense. I don't think there's a switch. I don't know. Alright, hell with it. Let's go. I just feel like I need my... Yeah, it's sitting down there. That's why. Yeah, there you go. No, there's something weird today. There's something weird. I can't explain it, but I'll tell you later. I'll tell you later. Yeah, see, they're going by slow today. Earlier there was this really great thing. There. Cheers. Toot toot. I can't see it. There's lots of numbers. Damn it. I was wearing my glasses for the up close thing and something's different today. I'm telling you, something's different. You can't see it because I don't have my flash on. I don't think I can change it during the video. I want to give a shout out and thank Mississippi for the phone calls we had, because you guys, it really helps me. And I'm not saying anybody else is not as good or anything. So what I'm trying to say, certain people at certain times, or that's not even. I don't know how to explain it. just don't. I don't think it'll let me do the flash. If I push it and we don't do this, if it ends, I'm sorry, but nope, there you go. It worked. All right. I'm walking. I don't even know if I charge my phone. I don't even know how much charge I have or anything, but I actually could really hop up on there right now almost. That's how close it is. It's like, I see those ladders. I'm supposed to keep my mouth shut right now. It is pretty scary, but it's going slow. I'm like right there at 5 feet. I gotta step out a little, but not too far. Yeah, let's just go take a walk. Oops. There's rocks, so it's not that I'm messed up. It's just oops. It's a great reminder. Nothing needs to be perfect. Just do it, but don't take it too far. I'm gonna stop for a second. Wow.